Okay, guys, so today let's make spaghetti jollof. This is a very simple recipe that you would actually love. It's very simple and easy to make, so keep watching to see how I make it. To start off, I'll first of all parboil the spaghetti. Just add it in the boiling water, cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, set aside. Then fry my tomato paste to dry. I love to fry it very well and set aside too. Then inside my cooking pot, I transfer the meat stock. Here I'm using a beef stock that's already seasoned with garlic, ginger, onion, and I also add the fried tomato paste, add more onions, curry, thyme, and seasoning cube. After that, I transfer the parboiled spaghetti into the pot, allow it to cook. Here now is almost cooked, and I'm adding my spring onions, adding crayfish, and have some carrots which I'm going to be adding, and I'm also going to be adding the yellow bell pepper and the green bell pepper. So after I've added all this, I cover it and allow it to cook again, and so that everything will dry up with the water completely. Cook it for the next 2 to 3 minutes, and after it has dried, I'll give it a stir. I'll turn it properly. Now the spaghetti is ready. This is very nice and it's very simple to make, very easy. In less than a few minutes, your spaghetti is ready to eat. Come on, look at it. Would you try this? I bet you would try it. Okay, now I'm going to be serving it with some plantain frittata and beef. Look at the final outcome: breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But I'm using this for breakfast anyway. All right, guys, can you give this video a like, drop your comments, share. Stay tuned for more recipes. Bye.